presented by Srimati Nirmala Sitharaman shows confidence. It prepares the nation for the future. It also keeps the common citizen at the center. The world economy still faces uncertainty. In such a time, this budget sends a clear message of stability. It also shows ambition for growth. The focus is on long-term development. It looks beyond immediate gains. I welcome the strong push for roads, railways, ports, and urban transport. These projects create jobs. Yes, they create jobs in substantial numbers. They improve movement of people and goods. They strengthen supply chains. They help young people and entrepreneurs. The budget addresses Nari Shakti and is pro-women and pro-youth. This budget also highlights digital services, startups, skill training and research. These steps will support innovation. They will prepare India for global leadership. The common man is pleased to see attention to health, education, housing and farmers. We see incidents given to rural families development. These touch the daily life of people. A nation grows strong when progress reaches every citizen. For West Bengal, the budget is a veritable treasure house and a valuable gift store. Higher support for transport and urban works will speed up metro rail projects in Bengal. Nirmala Ji's budget will aid highway growth in Mamata Ji's Bengal. It will strengthen ports and coastal development. Rail links will improve on the lines of the encouragement to railways in Bengal, lavishly given by the Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi in the recent past. Bengal's role as a gateway to eastern and northeastern India will grow substantially through the bountiful budget. Rural development schemes announced in the budget will help village households in Bengal. Social security support will give relief to vulnerable families. Farm sector measures can empower cultivators of Bengal. Fishermen and the small entrepreneurs will find this budget a great boon for them. Support for industry, MSMEs, textiles, logistics and skill development is important for the youth of Bengal. These steps can open new jobs for Bengali youth. They can strengthen manufacturing and services in the state. Green sectors will also expand in Bengal in a substantial manner. More funding for health and education